Okay guys, I want to show you the difference between a male flower and a female flower. So the male flower is this guy right here. You see it's a long skinny stem. There is no fruit on it. That's the male flower. Female flower is this lady right here. It actually has the fruit on it. So if you ever run into a pollination issue, which there's some ants in there pollinating, but sometimes they don't do a good enough job, but you could just pop this male flower off like this. Oops, drop that right there. And take the stem and just kind of make them do the nasty. But you get the point. But that's how you can hand pollinate. Male flower to female flower. Okay, that's all.